Force's X-ray program bridges the gap between scientific research and its coverage by the media. While media stories are easier to read than scientific journal reports, they may be unreliable or sensational. Different media stories may draw different conclusions from the exact same research.
How can you know what to trust or to ignore?
X-ray looks behind the headlines to help you understand what the research means for you. We score the relevance, indicating whether and how the research may affect your health. Strength of science reflects how the study was conducted and how conclusive the results were. Research timeline shows whether the research looked at cells or animals in a laboratory, or if it studied people. Laboratory research may be years away from being useful to people. Click Read More for the X-ray detail page, which explains how the research was done and what it found.
The top has a plain language summary, ratings on how well the media covered the research, details about the science, a built-in glossary, expert guidelines, questions for your doctor, and resources. You can also find information about related clinical trials. Search for reviews by cancer type, topic, who it's relevant for, and keyword. And a printer-friendly page makes sharing easy. Visit X-Ray and get the information you need.